Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May peace, mercy and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be upon all of you, my dear friends and viewers. Today we are going to have some more sophisticated English vocabulary words for you. We will not only see these words, we will see their meanings and use them in their sentences. Let's have a look at the first word. The first word is fow. It would be new for you. Fow. It's not fows, it's a fow. Fow means fike. Fike. We can use it in different sentences, and I am going to use it in a sentence. Let's have a look at the sentence. The foul leather bag looked surprisingly real. The foul leather bag looked surprisingly real. The second word is bolster. Bolster means to sport. The sentence would be to bolster his arguments. To bolster his arguments, he presented logical arguments, logical reasoning. The sentence is to bolster his arguments, he presented logical reasoning. Now let's have a look at the next word. The next word is ouster. Ouster means removal. Removal from authority, position of authority. Removal. Ouster. The former Pakistan Prime Minister's ouster was orchestrated. The former Pakistan Prime Minister's ouster was orchestrated. The next word is sordid. Sordid means dirty or immoral. The politician's sordid past was exposed during the elections. The politician's sordid past was exposed during the elections. This is the sentence. And prudent means wise, very wise. A very prudent person, a very intelligent person, prudent. Our government we can use it, our government needs prudent decisions to bring the country's economy back on track. This is the sentence for the word prudent. Our government needs prudent decisions or decision making to bring the country's economy back on track. Let's have a look at one more look at the words that we have seen. The first word is foul, means fake. The foul leather bag looked surprisingly real. The second word is bolster. Bolster means to support. To bolster his arguments, he presented logical reasoning. And the third word is ouster. Ouster means removal from position of authority. The former Pakistan Prime Minister's ouster was orchestrated. The fourth word is sordid. Sordid means dirty or immoral. The politician's sordid past was exposed during the elections. During the past elections or during the elections. The last and the fifth word is prudent, which means wise and intelligent. Our government needs prudent decisions to bring the economy back on track, bring the country's economy back on track. These are the 5 words for today. Hope you would have learned them, you would have enjoyed them.